Together we will see how with Actable AI we can run a sentiment analysis on text data, and how this sentiment analysis extract the most important keywords from your text data and then associates automatically a sentiment to it to analyze your text data. So for this example, we will consider this dataset, which is Economic News 200, and that contains this text column. This text column, each row represents a text. So in our case, this is a news written in a journal, and each news talks about economics in their own positive or negative way. So to run a sentiment analysis on this text column, we simply choose Analysis, Sentiment Analysis, and then choose the text column here as the text. We simply press Run, and then after a few seconds we have our result. So our result displays, the most important keywords. So here, for example, economy, interest rates, dollars, stocks, stock market. The bigger the keyword, the bigger the keyword, the bigger the frequency of this keyword in your text data. And then we can also have a look at the color of the keyword. For example, inflation is in pure red because inflation corresponds to a bad, most of the time it's bad news to have inflation. And for example, funds, transaction and health insurance are highlighted in green because they are associated with a good sentiment. Actable AI and the sentiment analysis tool actually takes care of a lot of languages. Here, for example, we also consider this new data set, which are Arabic news. And just as before, we can choose the sentiment analysis, select the text column, press Run, and then we have the exact same results as before, but this time with an Arabic dataset, where the size corresponds to the frequency of your keyword, and the color corresponds to how negative or positive those keywords are. At Actable AI, most European languages are handled, from French, English, Spanish, Dutch, and many more. And we also handle some non-European languages like Arabic or Hindi. Thank you very much for listening.